Hi everyone, I did my presentation on schools I have attended. So the first school I ever attended was Grace of Calvary Lutheran Church, and this was for preschool. This school is located in Glendora, California. Something I remember from the school is they had a lot of in-class activities, and we never really went outside a lot. And I remember playing dress up with a lot of my classmates, and we'd go to the church and sing. But honestly, I don't remember a lot of details because it was so long ago. But this was my first school I ever attended. The second preschool I went to was Covina First Baptist, which is located in Covina, California. And this is a school where I met my best friend. Something that I remember from this school, which I thought was pretty cool, was the classrooms were connected. So it wasn't like the classrooms were separated at all because there was a door in the middle of each classroom that you were able to open and go to the next classroom. So we weren't really just playing with the students in our classroom, we were able to play with other students as well, even when we did classroom activities. For elementary school, I went to Badillo, which is located in Covina, and I went here from kindergarten to 6th grade. My favorite teachers were Mr. Byer, Mrs. Drake, and Mrs. Hutter. Something that I loved in elementary school was kickball. Kickball was my favorite thing to do, whether it was at recess, PE, or lunch. I love being able to play kickball because I'm a super competitive person, and being able to play with my friends and having fun, it was just a great time, and I'll always remember that. For middle school, I went to Royal Oak, which is also located in Covina, and I went here from 7th to 8th grade. I played on the volleyball and basketball team both years, and I was also involved in leadership. Middle school, honestly, it wasn't my best 2 years, but something I really liked about middle school was being able to change classes. I liked that we actually had the opportunity to go outside and walk to the next class instead of staying in our classroom for several hours before we can go to lunch or recess. For high school, I went to Charter Oak, which is also located in Covina. I went here my freshman through senior year. I played on the softball team all 4 years and the volleyball team just my freshman year. And I was also involved in ASB. I have to admit, high school was the best 4 years of my life because I got close to so many people I never knew I'd become friends with, and we made so many great memories together. Last but not least, for college, I am attending the University of Laverne, majoring in educational studies, and my goal is to graduate a year early, attend the master's program, and become a teacher. I hope to attend the master's program at the University of Laverne, so I'm crossing my fingers. And something that I love about Laverne is how small the campus is and how nice and respectful everyone is to one another. I remember my first day of freshman year walking on campus, I was so nervous because I didn't know where to go and I didn't know anyone, but there were so many people that helped me find my classes and were just so kind to me, and you don't see that often at colleges. So I'm super glad that ULV is the last school I'm going to ever attend, and thank you for watching the schools I have attended.